So this is the infamous tangle paradox. This is the tangle using the Zen tangle method. The name of the tangle is called paradox. I did not name it, but this is the name of it. So what I decided to do was make a imperfect square inside of another imperfect square and have a whole bunch of them be the frame and then a whole bunch of the tangles be in the center. Now, for me, the most important part of tangling or meditative art is self-care and taking care of you. And this, in turn, will very much change the outcome of your tangle. For example, I will get messages, emails, comments. How can you draw a line that looks so straight? Well, number one, it comes with time and doing this for a long time, but it also comes with relaxing my shoulders and my breathing as I draw the line and my relaxing the grip on the pen. Because if I'm pushing too hard down with the pen, or I'm gripping the pen too hard, or both, plus I'm holding my breath and I'm clenching my jaw, all of those things don't really allow you to create a straight line, as straight as it can be, as imperfect as we are, or to create the tangle that we're looking for. So just surrender and to the process of tangling and enjoy it. Embrace your imperfections, as to we are all very imperfect. And I'll see you at my next live, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, except on Thursdays.